In this group module section, we'll explore things such as the fast ways of getting a powerful credit report in adding high-limit secured credit cards and adding AU, authorized users. Also, to quickly and powerfully boost your credit, we explain and offer effective paths for obtaining primary trade lines. Are primary trade lines legal? Yes. Are they incredibly great? Yes. Learn the risks and benefits. They're nothing like authorized users. Primary trade lines are completely different, and many people do not know the real difference and what a real primary trade line is. In this group module section, we'll explore things such as a strong refresher on the first round and other rounds of dispute letters, and a powerful overview to make sure that your results are strong, respectably noticeable, and to set up more success and more deletions for your future letters. This includes info on Metro 2 compliance. Then we follow up with information on Metro 2 regulations. And this can be helpful, especially when dealing with the furnishers of the credit information who do not want to be held accountable for errors and mistakes. We also cover credit profile numbers, CPNs, the effectiveness, the realistic and now limited benefits in comparison to 10 years ago. There have been a lot of change with CPNs over the last 2 decades. The last module in this group, by the way, reveals what most bankruptcy attorneys will not tell you. Here are just a few things about filing bankruptcy which can affect you. Your state professional license, if you want to remain or become a CPA or financial planner or attorney or contractor or more, could be terminated. You will surely lose proceeds from your pending car insurance crash settlement claim once it is finally settled. Yes, the federal court bankruptcy trustee will snatch those monies from your lawyer's office. Youch. And an upcoming inheritance that you may have may also be snatched by the bankruptcy trustee, and learn about even more of these things that can happen to you in this particular section of modules. For more credit, debt, foreclosure, and more great tips, subscribe to the channel